Hi. Belly touch the butt! Here's Olive's impression of a humpback whale. Ooh, yeah. It's a good squid.
Now you get what I
Now I get it.
But I love it in challenge.
Hey guys, it's Bethany.
And Olive. And Belle!
And today we are at Lake Ray Roberts State Park over here at the swimming area to have a little lake day. We packed a lunch and so we're gonna go have our lunch because Belle said she's hungry, and luckily there are several picnic tables still available. It's not too busy today. So we're gonna have our picnic lunch. Why is that a red flag? So
Error, because I would go to the water.
Oh, okay. Well, I was thinking we could sunscreen up, have lunch, and then go get in the water.
Do you want to jump off the rocks and into the water?
That's what you want to do? Cool. Okay. Well, let's go get sunscreened up and get in the water then. All right. The girls are already down at the water. Already got their sunscreen on and are down at the water. I still need to sunscreen up. I love this beach. We're lucky enough to have two lakes relatively close to us that we can go to, Lake Louisville and then Ray Roberts. And the Little Elm Beach is fun and it's very convenient. However, there is zero shade. If you want to get out of the shade, you have to leave the beach and go up into the little like common area where they have picnic tables set up, but it's like it's a trek. Whereas here they have, I mean, it's still a little bit of a walk up off the beach, but I can still see the girls right now and see what they're doing and still be in the shade, so that's nice. Yeah, the spot we've got is kind of far away from the bathrooms. Those are all filled up, but there's several over here that are still empty. It's, you know, Tuesday, weekday during the summer, but really nice and peaceful. Bathrooms aren't that far, they're right over there, so not bad.
But ride in the car. Or it sounds cool. It sounds very nice soaking into a cold lake.
It's not that cold though, it's pretty toasty.
Sink your belly in.
Ooh, okay.
Now you get what
Now I get it. Now I understand. This is as deep as I care to go in the lake. Don't.
I'll stand clear.
Stand clear of the doors.
I'll scream and I'll call for help.
Go on, Toonie. Hi.
Mom, do you want to swim back over there?
No, I think we should give the rocks a little bit of space because this is also home to like different animals like snakes and lizards, and they might want to live over there. So let's give them some space.
Mom, every time I try to catch them, they're too fast.
Those little boogers are fast. How have you been trying to catch them?
Every time I try to grab them, they just up swimming away too fast.
Oh, right. Belle's trying to catch fish with her bare hands, her bare paws.
Meow. I'm a kitty cat.
Meow, meow.
Water.
Meow, meow. A jaguar.
You have to like snatch them up like this.
Show us your technique to snatch up the...
Mom, let's go to the deep end. And then...
Snatch them up. We can't go past the orange. Because that's for where the boats can go. The orange is where the people are allowed to swim. And then out past there, people are allowed to ride boats.
Hey!
Don't pull her down. She's over her head.
This way!
Everybody knows she's in over her head.
Stop it!
Sorry, I had to.
Mom, come over here!
Okay. Girl, we are far. Do you want to touch the butt?
Oh, look at me. I'm gonna go touch the butt.
You want to touch the orange and head back? Okay, let's go all the way out to the orange. Belly, touch the butt. She did it.
I'm the winner.
You're the winner. Come on, let's go back to Olive.
And see who will be the winner.
Okay, come on. I'm not stopping you. Dragonfly. Hold on. I can only help one of you at a time because it's over my head too.
They reach through the camera. I just.
You got him.
If you just felt something sharp or me. Can you win the race?
Where are we racing to? Well, you're winning, it looks like. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Stop,
Pause?
pause, and go.
You got me. Don't make me go back to the hot sand lands. Cause it's like fire. You're crazy. Come back. I have old lady feet that's supposed to be hardened to the world. How are your little feet?
Maybe a black fire, but go down with sand, whatever.
Maybe.
Hey, guess what? I got some mud on.
You got me, girl. Boo. Toonie.
Here's the mud. Okay. Put some mud on my knees. I only have one. Can I be one of your customers?
Yeah, it's okay to have more than one customer.
No, on my list is only one. That's my customer. So can I see that list real quick? Let me just see it.
Ah!
Okay,
Some fish are bumping up against me. It tickles. Oh, it's my legs. They're bumping into my legs. It feels so weird.
It feels funny.
Yeah, you just come over here and be real still.
No, I don't want them to bump me. Change my mind. Change the plans. I don't want them to bump me. Okay, it tickles.
Are they bumping you?
No.
They will. They'll come.
Hey, Bo, I'm gonna go over to your spa. Let me go get some mud.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, they are having a party around me. And I don't like it.
Whoa!
There's a big one over there. You can see the shadow moving through the murky waters.
Okay. Hey, Bo, can I help you? Yes. Let me show you.
I don't want to get attacked by the fish again. They're playing so sweetly together. I need to video them. If I put you in the water, can you see these fish? I'll say, how did you get that fabulous? And I'll say, belly spa.
No, say nowhere.
Nowhere.
Hey, move it over there. She said she doesn't like it in her swim.
Oh God! Are you okay? Hi. This is Olive's impression of a humpback whale. That was so good. Oh. Surface.
And this is my impression of a squid. Watch. I hope this is my squid.
Okay. Ooh, yeah. It's a good squid.
Why is it so warm over here?
Did you pee over there?
No.
I don't know.
No, let me know what to do. I just told you.
No jumping.
No, stop. I like this chunky. I like chunky. Is it really chunky because I don't know what to do? I know.
Something really weird happened to the audio here, but luckily it resolved itself quickly. But we're having our lunch. We're having hummus and naan, strawberries, turkey and cheddar sandwich with the best salt and vinegar chips, a little bit of cherries, and of course some wings of fire to finish it off. I'm gonna go under. Then what? Whatever. Would you believe that we're the only people on this playground right now? Just us.
Okay, take me over there.
Okay.
I'm obsessed with the new Wicked trailer.
Yeah.
Now grab onto me. Kind of think we're like the
Go. Where are we taking you?
to the rocks.
To the rocks. These rocks right here.
No, the other one.
Oh, we're blast. It's far too far. I'll never make it over there. Oh, we've dropped a Diet Coke casualty. Wrong lever. We've made it to the rocks. I must go back for my last Diet Coke drink. Or is Toonie going to save it for us? Thank you. Where's your shoes? Shirley.
Somebody has to.
So she picked out 2 somebodies. Olive and me. You can do this. Those shoes aren't making it any easier, are they?
I love a good challenge.
Yeah, you do. Woohoo!
Like this amazing feat.
Oh, I'm watching.
Nothing that they do on Survivor.
They would never attempt anything this perilous.
No, they would attempt something way peril than this. And jump.
Nice. Hey, it's 10 after 4.
And as red as a lobster.
Because somebody didn't want to reapply their sunscreen. And somebody didn't make us reapply the sunscreen, the grown-up in charge. And now we're all a little toasty. So, it was a fun time. We were here for about 4 hours and we had a great time. I put the camera away after lunch. The girls made some little friends and that was super cute. They were playing with their friends on floaties and stuff, but obviously I'm not going to film somebody else's kids. So I didn't get to film it, but it was super fun and cute. Anyways, we're headed home, but thank you so much for hanging out with us at Ray Roberts Lake and Lake Ray Roberts. I can't ever get a name right. I think it's Lake Ray Roberts. But we'll see you guys really soon. Bye!